kingu kidam hakut kilat Syatai baro yang aki atwet kiawati bertas lah kerteng jonga Baro yang aki kuat Kisam bankang syarum syaneng Syarut syakir ki hamsaya kerteng jonga Kerteng jonga Borsing, 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 sing, sing, borsing Borsing, 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 sing, sing, borsing Borsing, 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 sing, sing, borsing
Yo, what's up everyone? Bumper Club, South Sudan.
South Sudanese boys.
South
It's your
Sudan, from
boy,
India to
Samsona.
South Sudan, guys. So back again to Meghalaya people. Say Meghalaya.
Meghalaya or
Shillong.
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 Yeah.
Khasi
Shout
people.
out to all my people in Meghalaya.
Yeah. Today is back again, guys. He's one of my biggest brother out here, and he always give good vibe.
Yes,
so
sir.
he traveled actually. He wasn't around. So I think it's your first time seeing him. Is it your first time reacting to Khasi people?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is his first time
No, I believe my second time, but it was in your
reacting to Khasi people.
No, sorry, my bad.
He
Sorry.
didn't react to
I didn't
Khasi
react.
people.
My first time to react to
Yeah,
them.
because he was somewhere, he traveled around, so he's back finally.
Yep.
So you are going to enjoy, guys. He gives super.
I'm gonna
super
give you that vibe, you
He's
know.
going to give you Bumper Club, guys.
Alright.
So this is Samsona. Oh, brother Philip, welcome.
Welcome, bro. Welcome.
Come. How far?
Feel free, bro.
Open the door, huh?
Come.
So today is going
I'm
to
going
be
to
with
give you
us.
guys a mad vibe. That
Mad,
vibe,
crazy
every
vibe.
person go enjoy that vibe,
Yeah.
you know.
So this is Gabsgabitv from South Sudan. Yeah, welcome.
My name is Samsona, aka No Nonsense. I'm also from South Sudan.
Yeah, and let's come, Philip. We'll introduce for you Philip from Lesotho.
From Lesotho.
Lesotho.
All the way from Lesotho.
Lesotho is
Down,
African country,
down,
right?
down.
Come stand behind Philip. Just say hi.
He's feeling shy, guys,
Yeah.
but never mind.
Today you will see new voice. Yeah, say hi.
Introduce
Philip.
yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Philip from Lesotho.
Yeah,
Yeah, welcome.
Lesotho is which side of Africa?
It's in the southern part of Africa.
Yeah, southern part.
Down,
Yeah,
the map.
Inside
Lesotho.
South Africa.
Yeah, inside South Africa.
Yeah, welcome brother. We are just making video and he came up. So today we are going to check BORSING Khasi film, guys.
Yep.
Official video, guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget, join the African family, subscribe. Let's go. Garu. This is the channel we are reacting from. BORSING. Let's start.
Here we go.
Yo, ladies, show us some vibe.
Show us the AK-47.
Yes,
Not the AK-47.
this guy.
Sexy ladies.
Show us.
She must be money.
Qua shi sha bên đơn bật nam ta Pi ro pi tiếp khăm pha yang nga lang đơn trình mua đá pi Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha bên đơn bật nam ta Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha
Now you are looking for me.
Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha bên đơn bật nam ta Pi ro pi tiếp khăm pha yang nga lang đơn trình mua đá pi Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha bên đơn bật nam ta Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha Nga tiếp
Give it to me, baby. Why you wait for me? Alright. 3, 4,
Syati syurung kingu kidam hakut kilat Syatai baro yang aki atwet kiawati bertas lah kerteng jonga Baro yang aki kuat Kisam bankang syarum syaneng Syarut syakir ki hamsaya kerteng jonga Kerteng jonga Borsing, sing, sing, borsing Borsing, sing, sing, borsing Borsing, sing, sing, borsing
Wait.
This guy is very funny.
You know what he's saying? He's saying forcing. It's not forcing, bro. It's borsing. Borsing, not forcing.
Alright. My bad.
Borsing Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha bên đơn bật nam ta Pi ro pi tiếp khăm pha yang nga lang đơn trình mua đá pi Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha bên đơn bật nam ta Nga tiếp pi qua shi sha Nga tiếp
Soon as I walked in, I got all eyes on me. The party about to end, but it started all over again. I go hard, yeah, I go hard, no limit. I won't stop, no, I won't not for a minute. The night's mine and the new just in it. All this money I'ma need help to spend it.
The video is lit, man.
Mad, like in another level. It's actually it's my first time to watch Khasi song, right?
Yeah, Khasi song.
But the song is amazing. It's legit.
Right?
Everything is intact. Like in fact, I'm amazed by it. To be quite sincere with you guys, the video is 100%.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like the way they recorded, everything is professional actually, guys.
Professionals.
Like we reacted to so many videos,
yeah.
But this one is really like something lit.
Yeah, it's also to give you that vibe, like to energize you, to give you like you would bring,
and I think
all the positive energy.
Yeah, and I think I think this music video also cost them so much money.
For sure,
you can see like even in the dressing, the people featured. They also wear different kind of clothes, dresses.
Yeah, right.
And like the people featured, even girls, they're so good, like professional dancers.
And all of them, they're slim.
See, the way they're dancing,
they are
the
well
way they're
fit,
shaking,
you know, all the body shape, everything.
They're all professional. Even the boys, those boys, big boys, you see.
You see muscle,
body muscle, man.
Fist back, chest,
everything
you know,
was bossy,
just like
man.
me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, everything was
Bossy.
She was lit, brother.
I'm telling you.
Like it, man.
I would love to come to
Meghalaya? Yeah,
not because of the girls, like I would love to explore that. You got me, bro?
Yeah, Meghalaya is a nice city to visit actually.
Yeah, for
nice
sure,
state,
sure.
man. Yeah.
I've heard that the people are open-minded because I had a friends of mine we used to study together.
Yes.
But
it's
actually
a nice
they
place,
left.
natural and beautiful place.
Yeah, shout out to you, Sweetie Sherman.
Yeah, Sherman.
Sher
Yeah, she was our college friend, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the one also started suggesting for us that to react to Khasi. Yeah. So you should thank her because of her now we are
reacting. Now we are getting to know about more about Meghalaya and Khasi, you know, all the vibe culture, everything. So you guys
stay tuned, subscribe, guys. Check other video. Check Unsan, checks one bar, checks you can check one job, a lot of reaction out.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
Follow him, we'll put
at Jaxa Al Hindi. Alright?
We'll put it in Instagram.
Shout out my people.
Tata.
Alright.